Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you all how I made my new waist beads. Now, if you watch my first video, you would see that I made my waist beads out of an elastic stretchy string. And my new waist beads are made out of a string that is not stretchy. So they are actually used to gauge the weight around your waist. Alright, so here's all the material that you're gonna need. So I'm gonna be using seed beads to make these particular waist beads, and I'm also going to be adding just some small pendants to give my waist beads some style. So I got my seed beads from Michael, and I chose the smallest size seed beads just because I will be wearing these beads most of the time underneath my clothes, and I don't want them to be detectable. Again, I also chose to add just some small pendants to my waist beads as well. Alright, so the first step is to go ahead and measure your waist with the string. So for these particular waist beads, I'm going to be wrapping them around my waist twice. So I'm going to make the string long enough to do that. And I'm also making the string just about 1 inch longer. That way I can have room to make my tie. Next, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my string to add my beads. So this string can actually unravel, so I'm adding some clear nail polish. That way I can secure the ends. And the nail polish is not only going to secure the end, but it's also going to make the end of my string very sharp. That way I can add those very small, tiny seed beads. So here you see me adding my waist beads, and I've already decided on the pattern and also the color that I'll be using for these particular waist beads. And as you could see, how adding my beads are very easy just because I've already secured my ends on the string. Alright, so here are my waist beads so far. Now I'm going to also add the pendant onto my waist bead. So adding the pendant is actually fairly simple. You're just going to go ahead and slide it onto your waist bead and make a quick tie, and then continue to bead. So after you're done, you want to go ahead and tie the waist beads around your waist. And where you see the dip is where you want to allow your waist beads to sit. So tying the waist beads is fairly simple. You want to go ahead and just wrap it around your waist and make about 1 to 2 ties.
On the track.
Alright guys, so these are all of my waist beads that I've made so far, and for me, all of my waist beads mean something significant for me. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful to making your own waist beads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all next time.
S play on the track.